As I make this video, Bitcoin is currently taking a dive. Now let's look into the charts and we see what we're going to do. There is no time for introduction, so let's just jump right into the charts. So if you've not been following up, here are some of the things you need to know. This is Bitcoin on the daily time frame right here. Here is the coronavirus. This is where we plummeted right down to here, and we had some support, enormous support right here at $29,000, and then we sprung right up to here. Now from here we had a resistance, we had massive resistance actually, then we came right down here and went to the all-time high. From the all-time high we've been having a lot of patterns indicating another price target, which I've been talking about for a very long time, 20k. Now from here right down to here, where we had a lot of support, we can visualize this as so we have a line. Now I'm going to delete that. So we have a line like this, and then this goes like so it's like an L, yeah, like so, like an L, not loser L, but this is a bear flag. Now the price target of this bear flag is what I don't even want to talk about here because I find it very disturbing. So we're just going to talk about the ascending wedge presented in front of us. So within this bear flag we have other patterns, and the one we can see here is an ascending wedge. To get a price target, we just need to take the distance between the widest part of the ascending wedge and put where we broke out of the ascending wedge, and that would put us right about $31,000. Now the price action we see is happening in the moment, so we need to zoom into the charts to know what exactly to do now. So we will zoom into the charts to the 4-hourly time frame right here. So this is BTC on the 4-hourly right here, and yet again we can see another wedge formation. So if we zoom in a bit, we will see that this here is another wedge right here, which seems to look like a falling wedge. It's actually a falling wedge, and the price target of course will be the widest part of the wedge, which will be right here. And if we take that to here, that should give us a price target of $34,000. So of course you might be like, how certain should we be that it will happen? Like, what's the guarantee here? There is no guarantee, but we will try to see if there are other patterns that show that we will continue to go lower. So if we come into the falling wedge right here, we will yet again see some other patterns. A double top. Now, has that double top been confirmed? Now, every double top has to be broken to the downside for it to be confirmed. And this is on the 4-hourly. So, a 4-hourly candle has to close with volume to confirm the double top. It needs to close below the neckline to confirm the double top. Now, did that happen? Yes, it did right here. So we see that these are the volume bars right here. Now just as a comparison, you can see how much volume this particular candle here has. So this is one of the highest volumes we have seen in, say, days or even weeks. So yes, this is a confirmed fall. Bitcoin has a very high chance to hit our final price target right here at 31k. Now 31k means we may as well go to 29k, and I will show you where that comes from. You see, all these patterns usually are seen with perspective. For example, there is a very high chance that all I can see is a double top and you can see a falling wedge. So it is relative to the individual reading the charts. And that is where stop loss comes into play. I will make a dedicated video on how to set your stop loss. So subscribe to the channel with your notifications on so that you do not miss that video. So if we look right here, you might be like, this is a descending wedge right here, and there is something you need to know. Falling wedges are bullish patterns, ascending wedges are bearish patterns. So we broke down from a major ascending wedge and we are now forming a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. This is the reason why I have been saying that when we reach 31 to 29k, you should be in. No, this is not financial advice, of course. It's just trading entertainment, not financial advice. You do you, I do me. So if we take this resistant level from here So it is like so, and this is the falling wedge right here. If we take the resistance level and connect it up to here, we will see something else. And then we take the support level right here and connect it right up to here, and then we take this as the highest part, or the highest opening, or the widest part of our wedge. That will give us 29k. So thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you learned, and I hope you are not going to take this as financial advice. I will see you in the next video, and if there are any changes to the charts or anything, I will let you know in my next video, or if I don't have the time for that, I will let you know in the community posts. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if there is any other thing you would want me to say in the next video, or something else you want me to look at. And yeah, so take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.